Hello everyone, this is Dr. Richa Salim, consultant pulmonologist and respiratory physician. Today in this video, we will discuss about vaccination. As we all know, vaccination is an injection that we give to children to protect them from diseases. But are there any vaccines that we can give in adults? The answer is yes. US FDA approved 2 vaccines are there which we can give in certain adults to prevent them from infections. The first is a pneumococcal vaccine. It protects us against pneumonias. It is recommended that anybody who is 65 years or more needs to take this pneumococcal vaccine. It consists of 2 shots which are taken 1 year apart and then you're done for life. In certain sect of people, even if you are less than 65 years of age but more than 18 years of age, you need to take this vaccination. These include people who have a chronic lung disease like COPD, ILD, chronic liver or kidney disease, malignancies and cancers, lymphomas, leukemias, HIV positive people, or if you are on immunosuppressive drugs and steroids for long duration, as in this case the immunity is low. So there is a special schedule in which it is to be given. Please get in touch with your physician if you fall in this category so that you can get this vaccination and be protected. The second vaccination that we will discuss is the influenza vaccine. The influenza vaccine protects us against the swine flu and influenza A and B infections. As we know, it is very prevalent during this time of the season. It is a very contagious disease which spreads by air, by fomites, by touching. WHO recommends that influenza vaccine is to be given to anybody who is more than 6 months of age. Yes, if you are above 6 months of age, then you should take the influenza vaccine. It is to be given every year. A new strain comes around September, October. The current one is available right now. It is a quadrivalent vaccine. It is absolutely safe. It can be given in pregnant females. The only contraindication is that if you have an allergy to a flu vaccine, otherwise it is absolutely safe. You have to take it every year and it decreases the chances of you getting influenza and the severity of illness as well. I hope this video was useful. If you fall in any of these categories, please go and get in touch with your physicians and take this vaccination. Stay healthy, stay happy.